Hi everyone, and today we're going to take a look at the Bose VB1 video bar with camera, microphones and speakers. So let's take a look what's inside. Already taken it out of the box and done some mounting. It's a very heavy piece of equipment, but it has a really great quality feel of it. So you have the speakers and the microphones inside here, and you have the 4K camera there, and you also have a tabletop foot mount installed. And the interesting thing about this video bar is that it has a very wide microphone array that you can control via the included software. So you can set it to only listen right in front of you, or maybe a wider area, or remove noise from the left side of the room, for example. So that's the video bar. Let's see what else is inside the box. You have a lot of manuals for all the different types of installation you can do of this video bar. You can have it rest on top of the table, or install the mount that I had, or even install it directly on the wall beneath the TV. And what's inside the box here? You have some more mounting plates, and you have a USB-A to USB-C converter, and even more mounting plates for the wall, and you have a HDMI cable included. That's nice to have. And a very long USB-C to USB-C cable. It's great to see that they include a cable this long, so you don't have to get a third-party one after getting the kit. So that's the unboxing of it. Let's see here. We also have the power adapter for it. Nice and easy power adapter. And of course we have the remote. There are a lot of different options on it. And the Bose VB1 video bar, you can connect it via audio cable, via Bluetooth, or USB also. So it's very versatile regarding connections. And let's see how this performs in Teams meeting and direct recording in Windows. So let's see how the microphone of the Bose VB1 performs. Do you think my voice is clear, or how does it sound? And the good thing about the Bose VB1, it has a very great control panel or application to tune the settings of it. You can choose to have only the microphones pick up sound right in front, or make it wider, or maybe set that this part of the microphone array won't pick up any noise. So that's a good feature. So let's also take a look at how the remote works for zooming and changing the frame here. So we have two presets and a home button. So I've preset one of them to zoom in on the picture behind me. So I press 1. Zooms in pretty quickly. And number 2 zooms in on my face, and you press the home button. It's really quick at changing the frame and zooming in on where it should. We also have a volume button up and down, that's handy, a mute button, and you can also manually zoom in and change the picture frame. So it's very responsive in regards of the camera controls. So here you have a test of the camera outside of Teams to see how the picture quality is, since we all know that Teams outputs video at about 720p. So what do you think about the quality when recording in 4K? And I'll also test how the low light condition function is. So now I'm turning on low light compensation mode. You see it brightens the picture a little bit, so it makes it a lot lighter. And this is also a good way to see how the audio performs in regular recordings outside of Teams. Do you think it's any different than my Teams meeting?